Baby bee.
Hello, I am letter N. Nice to meet you. I bring some neat and noteworthy animals with me. Here are 5 amazing animals that start with me. Hello, this is northern pike. Northernpike. Northern pike, a fierce freshwater fish known for its sharp teeth and fast hunting skills. Hello, this is Nightingale. 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 A small songbird known for its beautiful and melodic singing, especially at night. Hello, it is Numbat. Numbat, a termite-eating marsupial from Australia with a long tongue and striking, striped fur. Hello, it is Nutria. Nutria, a semi-aquatic rodent with webbed feet, often found in wetlands and rivers. Hello, it is Newt. Newt, a small amphibian that can regenerate lost body parts, often found near water.
Like, share, and subscribe my